Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel and welcome to an Iron Crafter challenge, which is to use bling today. So I am using the Echoes of Time collection from 49 Market, and I'm using this purple Stickles glitter gel, which I am hoping fits the bill for some bling. It is called Pegasus, and it is super shimmery and shiny. And I am just using a stencil that is the diamonds and putting it through there. Yeah, it's very, I don't know, it's very much like snot. I wasn't gonna say it, but I'm gonna say it. Yeah, if that texture is kind of gross to you, then you probably don't want some Stickles glitter gel, but that's how it goes down. Kind of gooey, and it looks beautiful, don't get me wrong, it does look beautiful, and it's super shiny and shimmery, and you'll see that in the close-ups towards the end of the video. But yeah, it's very reminiscent of snot, so I guess that's like on my brain because I've got little kids with allergies going on and gooey noses. So anyway, more than you wanted to know. I did pull some purple cardstock out of the solid paper pack. It does have a little texture to it, so it's more like it reads like a solid, but in the video it does definitely looks like a solid. And I am adding some texture by going over it with my distress tool. I did have to wait quite a while for the Stickles glitter gel to dry. It is not something that dries quick. So yeah, you gotta give it some time. I actually think I let it sit overnight, not necessarily because it needed the whole night, but I just set it aside and I moved on to a different layout, and then I came back to it when I was done with the other layout, which happened to be the next day because it got late. I did pull out these puffy, thicker stickers, and I don't know what collection or anything they are from. I think I got these at Joann's way back when they were still around. And so I really want the title to say Together with Friends. This is me and 4 of my friends. We went up to the Paper Wizard Roadshow together. They had that, oh, I want to say it was in March, maybe. And I don't know. I could be off on my days, but it was like 2 hours away from us. So we did a quick day trip up there, went and had some lunch together and enjoyed the roadshow, and then came home. So it was really fun to go with the girls, and it was really fun to have that time together to catch up. I don't see these gals super often, but they are my regular crew that I scrapbook with. So yeah, that's what we are doing here. I did find an acrylic piece in my stash of ColorCast Design stuff that said Together. So I pulled that out because it's purple and it goes really well with this layout. My friend that is actually snapping the picture in the foreground there, her favorite color is purple. So, and her shirt matched it really well. And then there's like an awning in the background that has purple. So I thought, well, I'll go with the purples. And then, you know, there's not a lot of other color in there except like a peachy color, well, peachy coral color and a green. And the background on this paper has those colors in it. So it went really well with this particular photo. I did pull out the window there, and that's going to just be my landing place for my title, and that's from the laser cut elements. And then I pulled out a couple of the flowers from the laser cut elements. I am popping it up onto some really thin foam because I don't want to have to I don't want my title pieces to be super bulky, especially the acrylic piece, which is already, I think, an eighth of an inch thick. I think it's an eighth of an inch thick. Yeah, eighth of an inch. And then, so I didn't really want to make it even more bulky, but I did want to give it a little bit of height, also mostly because my photos are matted twice, and the 49 in market paper is thick. So in order to have that window frame kind of overlapping the photograph with all of the 2 layers of paper below it, it needed a really thin foam piece, and I just happen to have those on hand. I do have these puffy alpha stickers from Pink Fresh Studio. These are really old. They've been in my stash for a long time. You can see I've used some of them here and there, and I thought they would work perfectly because it's got the kind of pink and blues, pink and purples, not blues. Although I think one of the letters does have a little bit of blue in it, but that's okay because the car in the background reads as a little bit blue, even though it's silver. And yeah, I like how it's coming out. I did use my magnet to hold the word with down because since the window frame was up on foam, I didn't want it to kind of like not have much to adhere to. So I added a little extra liquid glue to those and then stuck my magnet right over the top so it would hold it down, using my glass mat as the backer for that basically, and then holding my other pieces in the lower right hand corner also in place. The magnets just work really, really well for that, as well as my acrylic blocks, although my acrylic block did not work for the word with because my acrylic block would be over the word together, so then it would not make contact with the word with. That's why I used the magnet. And then the black puffy stickers, they don't stick to anything, so liquid glue for those to adhere to the background as well. And then I'm going to add a label so I can do a little bit of writing. While I do that, I wanted to remind you that this is an Iron Crafter challenge, which was to use bling. And I could have used sequins, and I may actually just go back and add some sequins to it, but you're not going to probably see that since the video is done and I need to get it up for you before it is too late. But I might add some purple sequins to this, and you know, if you see it in the still shots on in my Facebook group or on Instagram, it might have sequins on it as well. But I think the purple in the Stickles works really well. The links for everyone playing along for the Iron Crafter challenge is below. The links are below, and you can go and find out more information over at the Paper Snob Facebook group. Tara runs this one as well as the 2 earlier this week, so you can find out all kinds of information on her Facebook group and maybe play along with us if that's something that you're interested in. That is it, you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.